I am Ellery Jose, Principal Technical Program Manager here at Grab. For the first 3 years of my 5-year career in Grab, I was doing business operations. And then 2 years ago, I got accepted as a Technical Program Manager. I needed to make a lot of adjustment in my new role. I needed to understand how the tech org works in general, the different functions, the different roles. I needed to deepen my knowledge of technology. And so in my 6 month in PMO, I took and passed Azure Fundamentals. And that gave me a strong foundation on basic cloud concepts. And months later, I passed the Azure AI Engineering Certification. And along this journey, I had help from my managers and also from fellow Grabbers. My goal is to complete both the Azure data engineering and data science certifications. I believe that these certifications and knowledge will allow me to better serve my engineering stakeholders. My advice to my fellow Grabbers, number one, to take advantage of Grab's internal mobility program. Also, do not be afraid to get out of your comfort zone. What excites me about my current role now in Tech PMO is the wealth of learning opportunities. That's one. But more importantly, the opportunity to make an impact to different areas of the tech org. I am also inspired when I know my work creates a positive impact on my fellow tech grabbers. Whether through driving clarity on a complex topic, resolving resource issues for a team, or guiding someone to fill up a QER template. I'm already inspired actually just being here in tech.